in the challenging offshore industry, where the vaccine meets the advanced technology. OTS Offshore Trading and Services Company Limited has been established and has affirmed its leading positions. With its professionalism and dedication, OTS Offshore offers a variety of services from trading, inspection, and maintenance to equipment manufacturing. We are a trusted partner for businesses, providing comprehensive solutions to meet all needs and challenges of the offshore industry. OTS Offshore's vision is to become the leading and the most trusted partner in the offshore industry, not only in Vietnam but also globally. We are committed to providing the best services, continuously improving and innovating to contribute to the sustainable development of the industry and the country. Our mission is to deliver comprehensive, high-quality, safe, and efficient technical solutions and services, contributing to the sustainable development of the offshore industry and society. Quality and safety guide all activities at OTS Offshore. Therefore, we are always committed and dedicated to ensuring quality and safety in every service and product. Over many years of formation and development, OTS Offshore has established partnerships with numerous businesses, clients that motivate us to keep moving forward. OTS Offshore is committed to operating with high responsibility, prioritizing safety, quality, and sustainable development. We consistently strive to minimize environmental impact and contribute positively to the community. With a professional team and modern facilities, OTS Offshore is always ready to meet all client needs. The factory spans 3,000 square meters and has an annual product capacity of 1,000 tons. This enables OTS Offshore to offer a diverse range of high-quality products and services, consistently meeting the most stringent deadlines and requirements. From design, equipment manufacturing, and mechanical processing to non-destructive testing, hydraulic testing, repair, and support, OTS Offshore meets all the needs of the offshore industry, providing optimal and efficient solutions. In the future, we will strive to become a dynamic, creative company that continuously innovates and develops, contributing positively to the prosperity of the offshore industry in Vietnam and the region. OTS Offshore, a trusted partner providing comprehensive solutions for the offshore industry. We aim for a future where offshore activities are safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. OTS Offshore Trading and Services Company Limited. Address 63/188 Giang Street, Workforce, Vung Tàu City, Vietnam. Phone 02543540969 or 0983352585. Email otspodcast16053@gmail.com or vunguyuan@ots-tl.com. Contact us today to work with OTS Offshore, creating a sustainable future for the offshore industry.